Hey guys, today we got a recap on the Tech Show, the walkout, and even a statement on the upcoming Verslandia. Welcome to Tech News.
Benson High School's 2018 Rose Festival Princess is Mariamou Abdoulaye.
Everybody wanna be a star, everybody want a nice car, everybody wanna live great, have a good damn time, never trip with the law. Put the popo up in P.O., dirtier than B.O. Bullies from the past act like I'm the hero, living in LA for the weather, I FaceTime mine when I miss her. I got some homies that'll never leave my home. Till I pull up to the corner, it smell like Miley Cyrus. I told them I don't smoke, they said, boy, you wildin'.
A clean car says a lot about you. Clean car. And that's automotive.
I look around and I see nothing in my neighborhood. Not satisfied, don't think I'll ever wanna stay for good. Packed up my bags, told mom and dad I gotta go. And once I do, they finally see the end of me.
Because my daughter has no voice. She was murdered last week and she was taken from us. Shot 9 times on the 3rd floor. I'm very angry that this happened because it keeps happening. 9/11 happened once and they fixed everything. How many schools, how many children have to get shot? It stops here with this administration and me. I'm not gonna sleep until it's fixed. And Mr. President, we're going to fix it.
So the talent show is going to be a show of many talents. The talent show itself will be April 26th. I think that if you feel like you have a talent, like you usually know that, you're aware of that, and so be confident, and this is your time to shine in high school. You don't get to do this very much after high school, so take advantage of the opportunity. Go Tech! Okay.
Slam, poetry, yelling, angry, waving my hand a lot. Attention poetry lovers. April is National Poetry Month, and it's time to get ready for Verslandia. What? The annual Benson Poetry Slam. This is a great opportunity for poets to share their original work in a slam-style competition. The top 3 student finishers will represent Benson at the citywide Verslandia Poetry Slam. When is this? Wednesday, April 5th during Flex. Where? The Benson Library. Who? Anybody who has written their own content.